Hello my dear student friends, welcome to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to draw the projections of planes in AutoCAD software. I have taken this problem from Engineering Drawing by N.D.BHATT textbook. Let us see the given problem. A regular hexagon of 40 mm side has a corner in the HP. Its surface inclined at 45 degrees to the HP and the top view of the diagonal through the corner which is in the HP makes an angle of 60 degrees with the VP. Draw its projections. Dear student, first you need to identify the given plane, that is regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means all sides are equal and its include angle is 120 degrees. And also he has given mentioned that side length is 40 mm. And also given one more condition, side corner in the HP, its surface inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. So you need to draw first initial top view, that is ABCD regular hexagon, that should be parallel to horizontal plane. When you see from the top view, it shows, it gives true shape. Then you need to draw the initial front view, that is appear like one horizontal line. Then rotate this initial front view with an angle of 45 degrees with HP or XY line. Then draw the second top view. Here the second top view having one diagonal A1 D1. This diagonal line makes an angle of 60 degrees with VP. This is the final top view. From the final top view you can get final front view. This is the way to draw the solution in uh, AutoCAD or manually. Let us see how to draw the this solution in AutoCAD software. Now open new drawing sheet and do the few important settings, that is unit setting, dimension, style manager setting, object snap setting, limit settings, UCS icon settings and zoom settings. Here I am not using any type of layers. Here I am using only properties toolbar, and in this going choosing line weight. For enter problem, enter solution, I am taking line weight is 0.09 mm. Now first you need to draw one XY line, then draw the initial top view. That means here two edges are parallel to XY and one end should be on XY line. Now draw the, by using polygon tool, POL, enter, click enter, enter number of sides, hexagon having 6 sides, so that's why I'm taking 6, enter. Then specify center of polygon or edge. Here in the problem he has given side length is 40 mm, so that's why I'm taking edge, E, enter. Specify end point of edge, then specify second point. For locating second endpoint, you need to turn on ortho mode. Then enter 40, enter. Then adjust this regular hexagon that should be below XY by using move tool, M, enter. Select this regular hexagon and move to below XY. Below XY. Now give the notations in the counterclockwise direction, because you can read from A, B, C, D. So when you see from this side, first A is visible, then B is visible, then C is visible. So that's why I am giving the notation in the counterclockwise direction. This is the initial top view. You can give as this is the A point. Next, this is the B point. B. Next, C point. Next, this one is D point. Next, E point. Last corner point is F point. From next, give the dimension DLI. Give the dimension to this BC edge. This is 40 mm. For getting front view, from each and every corner point, draw the vertical projector to XY line by using line command, L, enter. From A point to XY Next, B point, F point are on same projector line. You can turn on ortho mode. Both points should be on same vertical projector. Next, from C point, next D point. Now give the notations. We know that how to give the dimension for give the rotation of a front view. You can represent with primes. T enter. This is A dash. Second one is B dash F, B dash of F dash. Here B point is visible. When the observer seeing from this side, B should be visible and F should be invisible. So that's why I have represented with B dash of F dash. Similarly for C point, C E, C is visible, E is invisible. So you can represent as C dash of E dash, C dash of E dash. Last one is D dash, D dash. Okay. Now draw the initial front view by using line command. L enter. Join A dash, B dash, next B dash, B dash, C dash. Once again, take line command. A dash, B dash, next C dash, next D dash. This surface inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. So copy this initial front view. A dash, B dash, B dash, C dash, C dash, D dash. Now select this line. Also you can select notations. You can move from A dash to, you can give some space to second front view and top view. Then rotate RO enter. Select this initial front view and also notations and click enter. Specify base point. Here base point is A dash. The rotation angle is 45 degrees. 4 5 enter. From each and every point draw the vertical projectors for developing second top view. L enter. From A dash point draw the vertical projector up to this locus of B or C. Next from B dash point. Up to locus of B or C. Next from C dash point. Finally from D dash point. Now you can draw the horizontal projectors from a previous top view, that means initial top view. From C point, next from D point, next from E point. Okay, you can also adjust the text. We turn off ortho mode. Next E point also. Okay, now locate the intersection points and you can get second top view. A dash vertical projector, A horizontal projector. This is new top view, that is A1. A1. Similarly, you can locate the remaining points. Now copy this A1 point from here to B1, B dash vertical projector, B horizontal projector. Intersection point is B1. Next is C dash vertical projector, C horizontal projector. This is C1 point. Next D dash vertical projector, D horizontal projector. That intersection point is D1. Next E dash vertical projector, E horizontal projector. Intersection point is E1. Next F dash vertical projector, F horizontal projector. Intersection point is F1. Now click escape button. You can edit the text. This is B1. B1. Similarly, you can edit the remaining text. This is C1. Next D1, D1. Next E1. This is F1. Okay, now join those points with polyline. PL, enter. A1. Next B1. B1 to C1. C1 to D1. D1 to E1. E1 to F1. F1 to A1. Now click escape button. Okay, this is the second top view. Once I read the question, the second top view of the diagonal through the corner which is in the HP makes an angle of 60 degrees with the VP. Here the A dash is in the HP. We know that this diagonal, here the diagonal is A1 D1. This diagonal makes 60 degrees with VP. Now copy this diagonal, CO, enter. Copy this diagonal, also select this sketch, also select notation A1 B1 C1 D1 E1 F1. Now you can move from this point to outside. The rotation angle is 60 degrees. RO, enter. RO, enter. Select, enter this sketch. With respect to, you can rotate with respect to this point, diagonal point. The angle is minus 60 degrees. 60 degrees means it gives clockwise direction. 60, enter. And you can also move this object to on XY. Enter. Select this object and also select notation. You can move this point to on XY. Okay, after this you need to draw the vertical projectors and horizontal projectors, and you can develop or create a final front view by using line command, L, enter. From A1 point, draw the vertical projector up to, you can also turn on ortho mode, up to locus of D dash. Similarly, draw the vertical projector from B1 point up to locus of D1 or locus of B dash, your wish. Next, from C1 point up, you can also draw the locus up to C dash point. Next, from D1 point up to locus of D dash point. Next, from E1 point, from vertical projector, and also draw up to locus of E dash. Next, from F1 point, draw the locus line up to F dash point. Up to locus of F1 point, F dash point. Okay, similarly you can draw the locus line from A dash to A1 to A dash locus line. Similarly for B1 point, take line command, C1 point up to C horizontal projector. Okay, for B1 vertical projector up to locus of B dash point. When you move your mouse, one tracking line is appear. You can draw up to that point. So now draw the horizontal projectors. A dash horizontal projector up to A1 point. Okay. B dash horizontal projector up to B1 point. Next C dash vertical projector. Otherwise you can draw up to end, no problem, that is fine. From C dash point up to end point. Next from D dash point draw the horizontal line. Okay, now locate the intersection points. A1 vertical projector, A dash horizontal projector, this name is A1 dash, A1 dash. Next one, B1 vertical projector, B dash horizontal projector, this is B1 dash, B1 dash. Similarly, you can give the remain notation by using copy tool, CO enter. Next, this is the now turn off ortho mode. This is C1. Next D1. Next E1. Next one is F1. F1 dash. You can edit the text by using your mouse. Double click on this text. This name is C1 dash. Next one is D1 dash. Next E1 dash. Next one is F1 dash. Okay, now join those points by using polyline. PL enter. Polyline PL enter. A dash, A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash. Next D1 dash, E1 dash, F1 dash, next A1 dash. Okay, this is the final front view and this is the final top view. You can also give the dimension DAN, angular dimension. Select this second front view and horizontal line 45 degrees. Next, click enter button. This diagonal and XY line, that is 60 degrees. Now finally you need to apply the line weight. Select final front view and final top view and apply the line weight, that is 0.30 mm. You can also turn on line weight in status bar. You can see here. This is the final front view and final top view for the given problem. Now you can adjust, you can move. Now you can apply the title block and you can take the printout. This is the final solution for the given problem. Already I have added title block for this solution and also edited the text, that is title is projections of planes, name, roll number, date, today's date 21st 10 2024, scale 1:1, experiment number 5.1. This is the exercise problem. Now take the printout, Control P, printer plotter, Microsoft printer to PDF, paper size A4, center the plot, drawing orientation, landscape. Now what to plot window. Now click preview. You can see here, this is the final output for the given solution. You can see here, this final front view and final top view should be thick lines. A1 dash are same vertical line, B1 dash on same vertical line. In this way, finally F1 dash should be on same vertical line. Now click plot, give the file name experiment 5.1, save a type PDF format. Now click on save. Okay, I hope this solution is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.